it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing a Peppa Pig figure. Using Peppa Pig logo, cut out face, crown, body and wings. Take pink modelling paste and roll out, making sure that it's 2 millimeters thick. Take face template, put on modelling paste and cut out with a sharp knife. Take the dark pink modelling paste, push into the craft gun, apply round disc, screw together, then push out to get the round fondant string. Apply edible glue to edge of cut out face, then put fondant string around, cut off with sharp knife as shown in video. To make the nose look 3D, apply edible glue, then place fondant string, cut off with sharp knife. Take 2 round balls of pink modelling paste and then apply as nostrils. Taking the fuchsia edible pen, draw the smile for the mouth. Roll out white modelling paste, making sure that it's 1 millimeter thick. Then take the plunger cutter and cut out 2 small circles for eyes. Take the white circles and stick them onto the face to make the eyes using the edible glue. Put 2 dots in eyes using the black licorice edible pen. Place modelling paste string around edge of white eye using edible glue. And then cut off with sharp knife. As this will be applied to a finished 8-inch cake, I am using an 8-inch dummy cake to obtain the correct curve on the figure. Taking the dark pink modelling paste, roll out to 2 millimeters thick, and then take your template, cut out with a sharp knife. Take edible glue and apply it around the body, and then take the pink string modelling paste and apply that and cut off with sharp knife. Bring back the dummy cake, use the edible glue at the bottom of the face, then join face and body together. Now we'll be doing the wings, so roll out some white modelling paste and make sure it's 2 millimeters thick again. Take template of wings, then cut out and apply pink string as shown in video. Place wings on side of body using edible glue. Use some yellow modelling paste and use your template and cut out, and then use a blue bead, a pink bead and a green bead, and then apply to head with edible glue. Apply pink modelling paste to bottom of crown using edible glue. Take some pale pink sugar flare dust and then apply it to cheek area of figure. Next we will be doing the arms. Using pink modelling paste, roll out. Then use knife to cut out fingers. Tap points down on end of fingers. Use edible glue to apply on body. For other arm, just roll out modelling paste into a sausage. Don't do any fingers yet. Apply to side of body with edible glue. Take the one mould and some yellow and pink modelling paste, then apply to the mould as shown in video. Carefully release modelling paste from mould. If you have any problems, handy little tip, put in the freezer for 10 minutes, then remove. Once taken out of the mould, use ballpoint tool and press into star, then apply the sugar bead using edible glue. Apply one to arm and 3 fingers as shown in video. Now roll out 2 sausages with pink modelling paste. Then roll out again 2 sausages in black modelling paste for shoes. Use ballpoint tool, press in on middle of shoe, apply pink sausage into black shoe, then apply to figure using edible glue. Then apply to figure for finished look. Remember to leave to dry for a day before using. And here we have the finished Peppa Pig. Thank you for watching my video and remember to subscribe to my channel.